A U.S. judge has set a trial date for the case brought against former President Donald Trump, his three eldest children, and his corporation for committing fraud by overvaluing their properties. The case is being brought by the New York Attorney General. According to Reuters, on November 22, in a contentious hearing that followed actions taken by members of the Trump family the previous evening to have the case dismissed, Judge Arthur Engoron of the New York State Supreme Court in Manhattan set a time for the trial to begin. The date set for the trial is October 2, 2023. The accusations of partiality made by Alina Habba, who once served as President Trump's attorney, were rejected by Judge Engoron. While this was going on, Mr. Trump, who is a Republican, suggested that the Democratic Party member Letitia James, who is the Attorney General of New York, was suing him because she disapproved of him and his political views. In the lawsuit that was submitted on September 21, Ms. James accused Mr. Trump, his family corporation, as well as his three eldest children, Donald Jr., Eric, and Ivanka, as well as other individuals, of exaggerating the amount of money that the former leader of the House of Representatives had in their possession. To defraud financial institutions such as banks and insurance companies of billions of dollars over a period of 10 years. Ms. James described the fraudulent activity as astonishing. The complaint seeks to have Trump and the other defendants pay damages in the amount of $250 million, as well as prevent members of the Trump family from operating businesses in New York and prevent Trump and his organization from purchasing real estate in the state throughout the course of the year. 5 years, at the beginning of January, it is anticipated that Judge Engoron will make a decision about the motions to dismiss the case. Mr. Trump has lodged an appeal against the ruling issued by Judge Engoron and has requested that his business be supervised by an impartial watchdog. The trial, which is slated to begin on October 2, 2023, and other legal difficulties, according to observers, could make it more difficult for Trump to run for president in 2024. A separate trial on charges of tax fraud is also being brought against the Trump Group. Additionally, United States Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed a special counsel 1 week ago to handle 2 separate criminal investigations, one of which involves the seizure of official records by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, at Trump's residence in Florida, as well as an additional inquiry into Trump's role in efforts to alter the results of the presidential election that took place in 2020.